Are you constantly battling Wi-Fi dropouts on your iPhone, making you want to throw the phone across the room? Let's dive straight into troubleshooting first. Let's try the simple stuff. Restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button until the power off slider appears, then swipe to shut down. Wait a few seconds and switch it back on. This often clears temporary glitches. If that didn't work, head into your settings app, find Wi-Fi, and tap it. Toggle Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. See if that reconnects you to your network. Still no luck? Go back to Wi-Fi settings and tap the icon next to your Wi-Fi network. This should bring up the network details. Tap Forget this network. Once you've forgotten the network, go back to the main Wi-Fi screen and tap the network to reconnect. You'll need to re-enter your password, but this can reset the connection. If the problem persists, try resetting network settings. Under General in the Settings app, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi passwords and settings, so you'll need to reconnect to your networks. Finally, make sure your router's firmware is up to date. This ensures optimal performance by working through these steps. Hopefully you'll have a stable and reliable Wi-Fi connection, letting you enjoy a seamless mobile experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.